Hey YouTube, this is Chris. This morning I'm feeling under the weather today. I'm just not feeling too good or whatever the last couple of days. But today I'm going to put some new green teeth on this stump grinder on the RG50. I'm going to put the 1100 series green teeth on the cutter wheel. Now some of them are stuck right here, and I've got to get a cutting torch and cut it off.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
Hey YouTube, this is Chris. Hey, if you like the videos, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.